Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's look at the 8 Amigurumi doll in my Zodiac the Princess collection. This is Virgo. If you are the Virgos or you want to give a special birthday gift to Virgo, this is the perfect choice. And also, you can find other Princess Zodiacs in my collection. I appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated if you like my videos. If you're a busy crocheter, you will love Virgo because it is a no-sew crochet pattern, and also the dress can be removable. You can mix and match with other Zodiac princesses in the collection. Let's learn how to dress the beautiful Virgo. And if you want to crochet this beautiful pattern, that's fine on my shop or join my membership program Crochet Heart. Get 45% discount plus the exclusive birthday cards, Virgo birthday cards, the Canva template. You can find all the links in the description below. Let's crochet Virgo, have the beautiful birthday card and make the perfect gift for Virgo princess.